So as writers, we always come up with certain words or certain things that are in our novels that maybe we use a little bit too much, right? Like I don't always say certain words more or type out certain words more often, right? And you probably shouldn't do it. Like, so whenever Christie is editing my story, she like puts the little highlighter on and it's like, okay, you've got like 5 billion of this particular word and it's one page. Like, so I know that's an exaggeration, but it kind of feels that way when you see all those highlights.
It does.
So these are our top 5 overused words. I'm gonna start it out.
In our manuscripts, by the way, we're not passing judgment on anybody else.
No judgment, just on our manuscripts. So
that's right.
Number 1 top 5 is just.
My number 1 top 5 is so.
My number 2 is very.
It's a good one. My number 2 is even.
Number 3 is that.
Yeah, my number 3 is important, which nothing is that important. But anyway.
All right, so I'm going to imitate Christie for number 4 and say so. So.
My number 4 is actually.
It is actually. Number 5, and.
That was a good one, but my number 5 is really, because it's really, really important. So I'm going to just do something even though I shouldn't.
Really? So that is really actually that important?
There you are. That's a good one.